Okay. Hi, guys. Where's the door to this thing? I don't know where the door is. Let's go over here. Hi! Hi! Oh, hi, how are you? How are you? Oh, hi, baby. Hello. Hi, oh, you haven't seen me since yesterday. Oh, you haven't seen me since yesterday. You missed me so much. I know, oh, you missed me so much. You missed me so much. I know, I was at school all day, and you guys had to stay here without me. You were here without me. Don't bite my arms. Don't bite my thumbs. Don't bite my beard, guys, that's weird. It feels weird when you bite my beard. No, that feels, ouch. No, don't bite me. No, I know you missed me, but that doesn't mean you can bite me. Don't lick inside my mouth, that's gross. And not in my ears, that's gross. Don't lick in my ears. I don't like that. Don't bite my ears. Don't bite my ears. Stop it. Hi, how are you? You're just being really nice over there. Hi. Do you want some pets? You're really nice. I want you. That was gross. Hi, I want you. How are you, baby? Hi. Oh, here you go. Nice to see. I missed you the most. No, I was kidding. I was just kidding. Ow, no. Don't do that. Stop it. No. Hi. You guys, this is so dangerous. This is so dangerous to sit here with you guys. You just don't know how to control yourselves. Ow. Ow. Don't. You have sharp teeth, Angel. Angel, you have sharp teeth, okay? Ouch. Just lay down. Lay down and take a nap, okay? Okay, everybody? Okay, it's nap time. It's nap time. There we go. Oh, just nap time, okay? Okay, guys, no more biting in my ears, okay, guys? There, let's, no, don't, just, we're gonna calm down, okay? Calm down. We're calm now. Okay, guys? Oh, no tongue in my ear. I don't appreciate that, okay? I don't want your tongue in my ear. No! You keep your tongue to yourself. Keep your tongue to yourself, young lady. Okay? Hi, how are you? Do you just want to lick my face too? I'm not licking your face. I don't lick your face. Out of my face, guys. Thank you for sitting nicely. You're so much easier to pet when you sit still. Don't put your tongue in my mouth. No. Ouch. Ouch. Angel, that's so nice. Thank you for the nice kisses, not in my mouth. Thank you for the nice kisses, Angel. That's so nice. Ouch! That is not nice. You are not being nice to me. This is my nose. Buttercup, you put your tongue in my nose. You put your tongue in my nose. Okay? Do you understand that?
I gotta go. I'm gonna go inside now. Because I'm tired and filthy and bloody, and you guys are being too rough with me.